Yes, dentists do take payments. Yes, we take many forms of different payments: cash, check, credit cards, um, over a certain amount of time. So if you're looking for a little more flexibility, do some research. Come to us. We have different plans where you can actually make payments over time. Let's face it, dental insurance is just not good. It just really isn't. They're not going to pay for what you think you're going to pay for, or as much as you're going to pay for. Then in today's current environment, yes, dental care service delivery is getting more and more expensive for a whole wide range of everything. Pretty much all the expenses across the board are going up. Just like the food prices are going up, gas prices are going up, everything is going up. And you got to do the best thing you can do to make sure you keep a healthy smile. And so find a dentist that can make payment. You can make payments over. Learn how to stage your treatment over time. That way you can make payments and yet still get the care that you actually need in a reasonable time frame. So you have more control than you think. You have more flexibility than you think. All you have to do is pick up the phone, talk to one of our specialists, and know that, hey, there are dentists that actually take payments, okay? All right. We'll see you soon. Any questions, you can leave a comment, call us up. We're here to take care of you.